name is Paulino from SAHMallorie. I post all kinds of homemaking and cleaning content, and today's video is going to be a kitchen clean with me. I had actually forgot this morning that my husband is off tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, and normally I film on Mondays and Thursdays because I post on Tuesdays and Fridays, so usually those are my filming days. But I forgot he is off tomorrow because he ran duty this weekend, so he got a day off in the middle of the day, the middle of the week, I'm sorry. So, yeah, I forgot he's off. I don't know how many times I've said that. And we plan on going out tomorrow, so I won't have time to film tomorrow. So I had already started cleaning up a little bit this morning. I cleaned up in the living room, and normally, you know, I do like the living room and kitchen. But yeah, the living room's already clean, so I'm just going to clean the kitchen today. But we're still gonna have lots of fun, get lots of things cleaned, get lots of cleaning motivation. So I still hope you enjoy this video, but we're gonna go ahead and get on into it. So since I had already been working on cleaning, I did the process that I do in all of my videos where I just shove the mess from room to room until we get to the kitchen, and most of the stuff is put away by that point, but this is where I go through and sort stuff. Most of it was just trash from the living room, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw all that away and just sort through this stuff. There wasn't quite as much as there normally is in here. And now I'm just cleaning stuff off of our table. You can tell we had just been kind of piling stuff there for a minute now, so I'm gonna get all that cleared off so I can wipe it down really well. And now that I've got the table cleared off, I'm going to wipe down the table and the chairs with Lysol wipes this time. Normally I use a more gentle multi-surface spray because the kids touch everything and lick things. So I try and use a more gentle thing on a normal basis, but occasionally I do like to go in with Lysol wipes to really like deep clean stuff when it has been a minute since I've done that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna wipe down the table, and in a little bit we're gonna wipe down the counters, and I saw that our cabinets were really kind of grimy and gross too, so we're gonna wipe all of those down too. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and finish wiping down the table and chairs first. And now I'm going to move on to clearing off the counters, that way I can wipe them down. And you can see there's a ton of dishes in the sink, but our dishwasher is currently running. We've got a full dishwasher right now, and I just started it a little bit earlier in the day when I started cleaning the living room. So we're not going to be able to get to the dishes today, but we're going to go ahead and wipe everything else down. And yes, I do still have a sign that says Hello Spring hanging up on my wall, even though it is midsummer at this point. I keep meaning to take it down, but I don't really have anything to replace it with right now. I had meant to get some summer decorations when summer very first started, but I never did, and I still haven't. So right now the sign's still hanging there. I'm probably gonna take it down soon, but every time I think of it, I'm doing something else or I'm not at home. And yeah, so eventually that sign will come down, but whatever. Alright, and all of these coins are here on the counter because Brooklyn had been hoarding them because my mom and I went out to eat the other day, and do y'all know those little like gumball machine type things, except they give you the little toys in the little balls? We did one of those for the first time ever. The kids had never done one. So, you know, we put the quarters in the machine, they turned the handle and got cute little toys out, and they were really excited about it. So Brooklyn came home that day and found every single coin she could, and she's hoarding them, saying that she's going to get her grandma to take her back to the little toy machine. So yeah, that's why we have coins all over our house right now. But yeah, anyways, I'm already wiping down the counters and cabinets here, as you can see. I had originally just gone in and wiped down the dishwasher with a Lysol wipe also, just to kind of get it clean, but it did leave it really streaky. So I have these old stainless steel wipes. I forget exactly what they are, but they're supposed to like polish stainless steel and get rid of all the streaks and whatnot. So I go in with that after I clean it off with the Lysol wipes. And yeah, now I'm moving on and wiping on the rest of the counters. Here, Elijah came up so excited to show me his car and his truck, and he showed me each of them like 7 times and was just really excited. I thought it was super cute, but you can't see what I'm doing at all, but at least it was really cute. And now that we got all the cabinets and countertops done, it felt really nice to have the cabinets wiped down because I don't do it super often. So yeah, it was really nice to have those clean. I'm going to go get my crosswave because the floors also desperately needed to be vacuumed and mopped. So we're going to get those clean also. So now I'm just going to finish cross-waving the floors, and I'm going to put the table and chairs back where they belong from shoving them out of the way earlier, and then put the cross-wave away, and that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got all sorts of cleaning motivation. I know that the kitchen is always the room that needs the most cleaning, so I hope you got tons of good kitchen cleaning motivation today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, because we just hit 350 subscribers, which is huge to me, and I'm really appreciative to all of y'all. Thank you so much for everything, all the support, all the views, likes, comments, and so on and so forth. So yeah, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!